Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account and go to your space, select the place where you want to set the task as recurring task. Alright, now just click on the task and here just click on this option right beside this dates. Alright, now just click on set recurring right over here. Okay, you will see these options: daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So what are these options? Now in for daily, it means it will repeat every day. Weekly repeats on the same weekday. Monthly repeats on a specific date. Yearly repeats every year. Or if you want a custom, set your own pattern like every 2 days, every 3 weeks, or repeating only on specific days. You can choose dates from here. Okay. Alright. So I'm going with weekly. Now as you can see, these are triggers. So what are triggers? You can decide when the repeat should trigger. For example, repeat on due date. Okay. So repeats automatically when the due date arrives. Repeat when marked complete. So repeats only after you check it as done. So when you will click on status change done, this will repeat the task. Now if you want to recur it forever, it will recur forever. If you want to keep it for 2 to 3 weeks, just disable this option and set it to 3 or 4 weeks, whatever you want. Alright, so what is this create new task option? Let's see. This creates a new task every time it repeats. Perfect for weekly tasks, monthly tasks, tasks where you need history. So just click on the option and select these options, whatever you want. You can include everything or you can just select specific feeds. Alright, now just click on save and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.